Hey, Jeremy here. In this video, I'm going to show you this really cool tool that has everything in one place to help you launch your business step by step really easily. So let's check out this cool brand. It's called Tailor Brands. It's an amazing tool, especially if you've got a cool idea and you're struggling to start the business or launch it. This tool is really going to help you out because it guides you step by step. And you can try it for free. There's also a discount. I'm going to put a link in the description below, but you can type in Jeremy Mura for 20% off, which is really cool. So let's check it out and see what it is. So go to tailorbrands.com and you can see you've got this page. You can scroll down and see some of the cool things that it allows you to do. Build a website, create a logo, create an identity, launch a store, which is cool. And it's all inbuilt into their system, which I think is really neat. So what you want to do is you want to click on the top here and type your business name. It could be any business name. I'm just going to type in Mura Design Studio. I can add a little tagline if I want. Making creative ideas come to life. Too long. Making creative ideas that come to life. Let's just call it that. Cool. And then I'm going to click start for free. And it's going to take me to a whole bunch of prompts and it's going to start the process of creating a logo. So I can skip this part if I want, but I'm going to go through it. So I'm going to click services. I'm just going to keep going because I've already created a similar logo before this. And industry, I'm going to type branding agency. Oh, sorry, let's go design. So you can see maybe it's a design studio. And a little bit about us. We help tech startups launch their brand into the world. So doing a little bit of a about me, which is cool, or about the company. And it's going to ask me, okay, icon based or name based. It depends, up to you. Sometimes I like just going name, or sometimes I like having a bit of an icon. I'm going to go for icon based this time, and I can search for an icon. I can click geometric shape, and I really like how they give you options here, so I can select some of the shapes I like. So maybe these ones here. I think they're really cool. Click next, and it's got a really cool built-in AI system that allows you to pick certain things. I'm going to the font section now, so I can select a whole bunch of fonts, and then it's going to base the logo off that selection. So we'll see what it's going to do. It's cooking up something right now, but yeah, I think it's really awesome, especially if you're someone who's not a designer. It can really help you jumpstart your business. Awesome. So it's given me a whole bunch of designs on the left here, as we can see here. I think I misspelled Mura Design, which is interesting. I can click customize if I want. So I can change the tagline, I can change the initial, even the text as well, which is cool. So if I go back, I can click one of these logos so I could see it, visualize it on an identity or merch or on a business card, which is cool. So I can select any type of these logos. I'm going to click this one because I think that's really cool. And once I'm happy with that, I just click love it. And I'm going to click unfinished. And basically, it's going to take me to my back end, which is my own brand studio. And the cool thing here is it's got a whole bunch of menus. So you can do a business card, print a store, the website, domain. It's got email as well that you can set up, and also graphic design, which is cool. So once I've done my logo, I can actually go ahead and download all the files. You need to upgrade to actually download your actual logo files, but you can download a sample, which is really cool. It shows you what it's going to look like. So I can, set up a domain as well. If I click that, it's going to take me to another page, and I can set all that up. Obviously, I'm not going to do that right now because I've already got other domains. But the one thing I really like is that it gives you a checklist, so it helps you start. So I like this area here. I scroll down. It's got step 1, 2, and 3. So the first thing would be create a business identity. I'm just going to click on that area, and it's going to load up a whole checklist here. So I've got like 5 points here. So number 1, we'll download the logo files, which is cool. Next is like check if this domain is available. So I can find domain. And it really supports you along the way. So I can go through that whole setup. And then let me just go back to home. And I can follow all these other prompts from the checklist. Open a business email account, set up business card, create a website, so you can create your website. It also gives you a bit of a time limit there, but that's the gist of how you can launch your business, and you have a lot of control over what you can actually do. So if I click on the website section, I can actually go and I can hire an expert if I want, but maybe you've got a bit of design background, I don't know. We can actually launch it. So maybe I just want to do an automatic website builder, I can jump in there, click start, and you can actually add and choose sections. So maybe I want to put my services section, I can click that, as you can see there. I can also maybe add a testimonial section. So if I've got customers already, maybe, I can even do an about section. So I can actually move these around. So I've got these here like that, which is really cool. I can just click next. I can choose the style. Usually I like minimal. That's personally me. I like that. Really cool. And I'll click create site. And basically it's going to cook up that website in less than a few minutes. So already, you know, we're starting to get a vibe, get our business going, and we can always come back later and customize it, and you can spend a couple of hours on it and really refine it. But overall, it's like looking really cool. I can change my background image. Maybe I want this one. Click save. And basically you've got all the elements on your site. So everything that the site needs design is going to be on the left, like all the pages and all that stuff. So if I click about page, I can change the text here. I can change this to the button. Learn about me. And everything is like happening live. And I can click publish if I'm ready to post it. Learn about me. You can see that I just made that change. Maybe I want to change my services. So I'll call like graphic design, brand strategy, and maybe like content design. And you know, I can customize all that stuff if I want, but I'm just gonna click save for now and keep it really simple. Got my logo in the top there, which is really cool. So already we're starting to build something, and if you're someone that it takes forever to do, this is gonna get you excited. I can always customize my style, also the sections as well, take things off if I want. Maybe I want to take off on a section, click save. Yes, I remove it. And then obviously I can go to settings and change everything. So you can see how before I made a bit of a typo. That's all right. I can come here and change the name of my business, which is Mura Design Studio. I can change this. You know, we are studio based in Sydney, Australia, working with brands all over the world. And I can just leave that. Boom. And excellent. Then we can click on the about page, about section, learn about me. We can create pages as well. And we can also view the website on mobile, which is really cool. We need to make sure it's responsive, and it is responsive, which is super awesome. So hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video on Tailor Brands. It's a cool little tool. It's going to help you launch your business, especially if you're struggling or you're finding it tough to start. But this has all the tools all in one spot. It's Tailor Brands, and definitely check it out. I'll put the link in the description below. You can also use my code JeremyMura for 20% off their plans. Really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button for more design content every week. Really appreciate you. See you in the next video.